everyone, we are from Group Lilo and Stitch. At here, we will talk about the company and product we choose for B2B market analysis. My name is Lim Wei and my metric number is 271191. Our group members are Yong Human 271840, So Shiki 275662, Lim Sing 279444. This is our contents. We will do the presentations according these contents. First, I will talk about our company and products. State Shops is a name of our B2B e-commerce company. State Shop is a new startup that sells textile to enterprises for manufacturing purposes, which can convert into finished goods. State Shops began as a trade-in textile business in 2022 and evolved into a commercial partnerships to satisfy the needs of the target markets and consumers. We fulfill through the textile market, including manufacturers and wholesalers. State Shops specializes in providing textiles while an online platform such as Wix website, cotton, wool, chiffons, and linens were the four main types of products we offer. Next, State Shop has a mission statement that sums up the textile company's ambitions and directions to supply consumers with textile items that are recognized as the best in terms of quality. While it is a mission statement, governor that firms operating principles. Its vision statement helps the guide to company long-term directions to be an effective textile company by delivering on time and achieving 100% consumers satisfaction. A general manager, marketing manager, finance manager, operations manager, and productions manager make up State Shops executive management team. We will in charge of the company's primary business operations and it is overall management. Then I will talk about the industry descriptions and outlook. Textile research, design, development, manufacturing, and distributions are all parts of the textile industry. Malaysia has been one of the world's top textile and clothing producers since the 1970s. Populations because of its low workforce. Malaysia has established itself as a global fashion strength in the textile industry. The textile industry is a rapidly growing market with the significant competitors, including China and the United States and India. Spinning, fabric manufacture, and web processing are the three parts of the textile industry. The goal of Stick Shop is to deliver the highest quality textile to consumers in order to facilitate further manufacturing. Because other manufacturers and wholesalers require textile to make strips, banklets, pilot cases, clothing, and towel, the focus for the textile industry appears to be positive. Furthermore, consumers from all over the world routinely visit garment designers and manufacturers in quite of the appropriate fabric for their design. Our textile items, we believe, will enhance our country's credibility and develop our ties with consumers. That's all for me. I will pass for the next presenter. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Sashiki, number metric 275662. Now, I will continue to our market needs. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it has a strong influence on the worldwide industry change and supply chains in 2021. On the other hand, Stitch Shop sees these possibilities in the face of the terrible and complex environmental circumstances. Many nations have implemented a home quarantine method to prevent the pandemic. It is encouraging people to stay at home more frequently. As a result, furniture, clothing, toys, computers, and other home-related items soars and increase in sales. The high demand for domestic consumer goods has resulted in a rapid increase in textile and garments export to emerging countries, both, both as completed items and intermediate goods. In addition, fewer women are working outside homes and earning more money, precisely as the retail industry is undergoing a big upheaval. They appreciate using current fashions geared to express themselves and acquire confidence, and they are eager to purchase branded items. Many Malaysian fashion designers and manufacturers are capitalizing on this market opportunity, transforming the country into a flourishing and rapidly developing fashion capital. Furthermore, when a well-known celebrity buys or wears an item from an independent online retailer, the item's attractiveness and value are likely to increase. Consumers today are changing their fashion clothes more frequently and wanting a wider range of design. Manufacturers face increased expenses as a result of retail stocking more products in fewer quantities. Overall unit costs should continue to climb under these conditions. Looking ahead to 2022, the textile industry still has the conditions and basis for a steady improvement. Next, I will present about the unique selling proposition. A unique selling proposition, which is USP, is another term for a unique selling proposal. Price, value, customer service, benefits, locations, experience, quality, market positions, and distinctive product design are all characteristics of USPs. The products of stitch shops are manufactured with good fiber materials and weaving methods, unique dyeing and printing, auxiliary materials, as well as offering quality products at a good price. Although textiles are not high-tech products, they are all used in daily life. But we introduce this kind of products that we see every day to the customers very professionally. So we have many advantages in the market. In addition, we have stylish design combined with healthy and environmentally friendly materials, which can attract customers to buy from us instead of the competitors. We transform the products into a career of information about its origins and supply chain journey using our unique DNA identifier. Our label is harmless to humans and the environment. GMO-free, vegan, Oracle Tax 100 compliance, and GOTS certified. Yet, it is strong enough to withstand industrial processing. Verification is done through simple testing of the final garments or any intermediate product, while marker applications can be easily integrated into existing textile processing. We have just introduced a custom spreading solutions for markers applications. In general, the domestic market is a large market that can be developed, and a number of higher quality customers can also be developed abroad. So, we always maintain our sensitivities to the industry and look for the opportunities. Malaysia's textiles and apparel sectors is expanding towards the manufacturing of high value added products and aiming for the top end of the global supply value chain. To further increase its competitiveness in the global market, the sector is applying the newest automations and technologies in productions and sales, as well as aggressively pursuing commercial partnerships with international firms and performing new research and development activities. Malaysia has been recognized by many worldwide fashion companies and foreign investors as one of the most attractive contract manufacturing and investment location in Asia. Malaysia already produces global luxury brands such as Marks and Spencer's, Guess, Tommy Hilfiger, GAP, Adidas, Nike, Burberry, and Ralph Lauren. The textile industry is a booming market, with China, the Europe Union, and the United States and India as the primary rivals. China is the largest producer and exporter of raw textiles and garments in the world. The US is the world's largest producer and exporter of raw cottons, as well as a major buyer of raw textiles and clothing. The European Union's textile sectors, which includes Germany, Spain, France, Italy, and Portugal, is in the vanguard, accounting for more than a fifth of the world textile industry worth. India's textile manufacturing industry is the world's third biggest, accounting for more than 6% of the total worldwide textile productions. In both developed and emerging nations, rapid industrialization and increasing Technology are assisting the textile sectors in having sophisticated equipment capable of effective fabric manufacturing. These variables help the textile sectors generate greater incomes throughout the research period, and they are predicted to continue to aid the business in the future. Next, I will pass to my next members to continue the presentation. Thank
My name is Jonghyun and metric number 271840. Now I will continue to present the target marketing and market segmentation. The target market is a group of possible customers for a business looking to sell its good or service. Companies should aim their own marketing effort at their target market and mix the promotion, pricing, and distribution of the product. For example, Steve Shop need to pay attention to the e-commerce metrics for targeting high loyalty and interactive buyers. Social media platform of the company like Instagram also processes potential buyers. The company found highly interactive buyers who always like, commented, and share official social media posts. Market segmentation. Segmentation can be described as the process of dividing the market into distinct segments or different sections that are productive and profitable besides have the potential for better growth. The market is segmented into several parts which it can help the company to obtain a better understanding and meet the needs of the consumer. The right of the market segmentation can help the company to be stable and successful in the future. In general, there are various types of market segmentation, but in this report, we will focus on the demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation is the term that refers to the descriptive attributes used by B2B companies to segment their target market and identify their potential customer. As for Stick Shop, this stock company is focused more on other companies to become our targeted consumer group instead of the individual. We will concentrate more on the potential company, which the company that has higher revenue in their business. This will allow our company to establish profitable commercial relationship with them and maximize our profit as well. Next is pricing and positioning strategy. The pricing approach considers the factors like consumer segmentation, willingness to pay, market dynamics, competitors' action, profit of trade, and production costs. Therefore, the price strategy is very significant for Stick Shop to determine the best price after focusing on these factors. Bundle pricing is a pricing strategy that integrates several products into a set of products or packages. Owing to Stitch Shop textile made from four types of materials, we decided to introduce a set of textile with various materials. The price of this packaging is lower compared to the price of each textile that sell a specific type of materials separately. Furthermore, for obtaining considerable profit, it is necessary for Stitch Shop to pay attention to adopt a dynamic pricing strategy. Online buyers seek for the online venture through the search engine. So, the company used keyword traffic research such as Google Keyword Tools and Google Trends to observe search trends and needs related to the textile product. Penetration pricing is a strategy that Stitch Shop apply for the price positioning. At first, the company set an initial low price as compared to rivals. The low price will be raised and switched to the premium pricing strategy. The purpose of this price positioning strategy is to attract more buyers to spend money on the new product by offering cheaper price during the initial offering. Next is promotion strategy. Promotion is a method that is used by the seller for the purpose of inform, remind, or convince the customer to influence their opinions, including extract their response. Nowadays, promotion is used by almost all business and company. Promotional methods differ depending on the aims of the company. For the Steve Shop, we use the sales promotion in our company. For example, Steve Shop have some promotion like free shipping, coupon and free sample to allow the company or organization to use the product and make the best possible purchasing decision. Besides that, Steve Shop also use email marketing in the company. For instance, Steve Shop will send a direct email to company or organization regularly. This is because direct email can personalize and targeting save the cost of advertising and the average of direct email is around 3% to 4% click-throughs. Other than that, the third promotion strategy that's used by Steve Shop is referral marketing. Referral marketing is the process of advertising products or service to new customers through recommendations, often word of mouth. Therefore, Stick Shop create fun and innovative video to boost response rates. We believe that through this method, more companies will discover our product and purchase with this shop.
Hello everyone, I will present about the online marketing strategy. The online marketing strategy have three types of strategy, which is social commerce, mobile commerce, and app commerce. Social commerce is selling and buying the product or service directly. So, TikTok has created a Facebook business page to market its item and receive comments from customers who have purchased textile through Facebook. Besides that, TikTok also have got the attention of the visitor of website and customer by using the font, colors, and image of the textile that sold by TikTok. TikTok also have been opening a direct messenger chat to customers to get the information about the product. Second of the online marketing strategy is mobile commerce. Mobile commerce can be simply defined as encompass the purchase and trade of product on mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones. So, the stick shop have been encouraging and promoting their textile on the website that click to B2B buyers. Third of the online marketing strategy is ad commerce. Ad commerce is the app that supply the best experience on smartphone and sell more goods, build stronger trademark, and intensify the customer's loyalty by increase the relationship with customers. So, Stick Shop has been registered in an internet business platform that has an existing app at Google Play Store or App Store. Next, I will present about the barriers to entry. There are 5 business models in B2B commerce, which are e-distributor, e-procurement, exchange, industry consortium, and private industrial network. First, e-distribution is the most common form of net marketplace. E-distributors has been provided the electronic list that represent the thousands of suppliers and also products. However, the barriers of TikTok to entry the e-distributor marketplace are capital costs. This is because most of the new business is needed the capital to entering in a marketplace, and TikTok also include in this issue. In addition to this, if TikTok includes the e-distributor marketplace, it also needs the capital to get the resources and found the suppliers to contribute in this marketplace. Second, the e-procurement defined as B2B requiring, ordering, and purchasing of the product or service online. The barriers of TikTok to entry in e-procurement in marketplace are TikTok hard to have the suppliers to collaborate electronically. This is because some of the suppliers are lacking of knowledge and trust about the system that having in e-procurement. The system of e-procurement also may be too complex to other suppliers, especially it uses a traditional EDI, which is electronic data interchange system. Third, B2B exchange are online marketplace for the business to purchase and trade the products or service from the business. The barriers to entry in B2B exchange in marketplace are TikTok need to consider about the markets that have already exist in B2B exchange have very low liquidity. This is because many exchanges fail due to few trades, a very small numbers of participants, and small trade value per transaction. Besides that, TikTok also need to think about the advantage that can obtain from the B2B exchange. If the TikTok obtain few profit that they expected in the marketplace, then the TikTok is not suitable to contribute in this marketplace instead. Then the industry consortium is an industry-owned vertical marketplace that allow B2B buyer to purchase the service and products directly from a finite value of suppliers. The barriers of TikTok to entry in industry consortium in marketplace are TikTok need to make sure the integration of the clearing, fulfillment, and settlement payment to be controlled well so that it can prevent the profit of marketplace to be outstandingly reduced. Finally, the private industrial network are enable networks that adjust the business dealings between particular cooperation in all categories and all fields, especially in delivery, procurement, retail, distributors, and suppliers. The barriers to entry in private industrial network are state shops need to consider about the requirement to share the sensitive data with their business partner and the operation of supply chains, which is the process of getting and selling the textile goods. In conclusion, we have opened a stick shop with selling the textile goods as our business in this project. That's all from our group. Thank you.